What's up YouTube? Chin here, back at it again and welcome back to the channel guys. So today, ang gimmick naman natin na i-review natin is something that can be useful para sa mga mahilig mag-hold ng tokens or hodl ang tawag nila, in other words pagdating sa crypto. So hold on to dear life ang ang gimmick. Okay? So pangalan nitong parang exchange siya guys. Is Hodlnaut, and Hodlnaut. And what is best with Hodlnaut is that you can earn up to 12.73%, which you can see there, APY with a crypto interest around from Hodlnaut. And deposit your crypto and start earning immediately with no lockups or withdrawal limits, which is good. Kasi yung iba parang naka-vesting or something na ganyan. Yun yung nakasanayan natin, lalo na yung mga marurunong in terms of yung mga IDOs, private sales, yung mga strategic sales. Alam niyo yung yung gimmick dyan, which is pag bumili kayo ng token, lalo na pag medyo malaking amount, vesting ang ginagawa nila dyan. So hindi ibibigay sa inyo yung buong token na binili ninyo agad. Instead, ang ginagawa nila is hati-hati. Okay, so pwede monthly, pwedeng every 3 months, ganyan. So ganun, depende sa kanila or sa agreement ninyo with the venture capitalist or yung game creator na nakausap ninyo. Okay? So for this one, earn in your favorite crypto with the preferred interest payout option. Ayan, makikita nyo din dito, binigyan nila tayo ng demo kasi gusto ko rin makita kung ano yung mga meron kapag naka-login ka dito sa sa website nila. Ayan Scroll down tayo, tignan natin. Saan nga ba yun? Nakita ko yung niyan. Ayan guys. So, Hodlnaut's tiered interest rates explained. Ayan, makikita ninyo. Again guys, ilalagay ko din pala itong link to Hodlnaut's website in the description of the video. Oh, sorry yan. In the description of the video para pagka nag-research kayo, makikita ninyo or silipin ninyo kung ano talaga yung meron sa website, ano yung iba-ibang options para kumita kayo dito sa dun sa website nila. So ito nga palang si Hodlnaut is based in Singapore and is applying for a major payment institution license with the authorities in Singapore. And sa kanila mahigpit talaga yung kumbaga security ng ng yung investors and everything na ganyan. So hindi basta-basta yan. So maganda kasi mataas yung security measures nila. So also another thing that I like with Hodlnaut is that they pay the interest on a weekly basis. So hindi mo kailangan maghintay ng isang buong taon talaga na ganyan bago mo makuha yung yung earnings mo. Okay? Tapos ganyan natin, saan nga ba yun? Naita ko na yun guys. Wait lang kung na ba nakita yung na yun. Sinilip ko kasi kanina yan Ito, ayan account overview. So lapit ko lang tong mic Account overview, total account value. So demo account to guys Wala akong ganyang kalaing pera. So ayan. Total earned USD and pending interest in USD. Next payout weekly. So November 15th ang ang next payout niya. Right now, it's November 9. So, ilang days na lang. Ayan, nakalagay naman dyan. So, huwag niyo isipin na since APY annual ang naririnig ninyong word, parang yearly binibigay. Medyo matagal yun pagka ganun. Baka wala mag-invest sa kanila pagka ganun ang, ang gimmick nila. So, ayan, makikita ninyo, weekly basis yan. And then, ano pa bang mga pwede nating dito? So, unique selling point is the live interest ticker that goes up every second. Ayan pending interest payout. Ang cool nito, nakikita mo yung pera mo lumalaki guys. Diba? Sana sana all may gantong kalaking perang gimmick 26 so mga 1.3 million yan. 1.3 million yung gimmick dyan. Okay, so interest paid, din sinabi ko sa inyo every week Mondays 5 PM. Yan yung 5 PM Manila time ang release. And then upsized user referral program to earn up to 1,040 USDC by referring users to join and deposit on our platform. Later pala, sasabihin ko sa inyo yung pwede din ninyong kunyari meron kayong mga kaibigan na nagki-crypto din, pwede nyo siyang i-refer magkano, para malaman niyo magkano yung pwede nyo kitain and pwedeng makuha ang bonus ng kaibigan ninyo or family member or kung sino man yung i-refer ninyo dyan. Okay? So without any time, no lockups, yan yung isa sa best things. No fees, tight spread token swap feature, optional insurance option with Nexus Mutual. Yan, nandito yan, Nexus Mutual. So, parang insurance firm din siya pagdating naman sa ang tawag dito, sa crypto or sa blockchain. Parang feeling ko, yung maganda tong, din na to, tong Nexus Mutual na to. Kung nag-i-invest ka sa mga, siguro yung mga bagong mga palabas pa lang na games. So, di naman pero syempre pagka yung risk is minimize mo, pwede kang mag-ganon, parang insurance din, di ba? At least hindi ka 100% talo kung sakali man malugi or mabankrupt or something or mag-rug pull yung wag naman sana pero as long as you do your own research and you check din kung sino yung mga backers or mga venture capitals ng mga projects, I think you're gonna be just fine naman pagdating sa ganyan. Okay? So, affiliate program that lets user earn 10% commission on interest earned for referring users to join and deposit perpetual program. Ito yun. So, affiliate. Ayan. Get 10% commission and give free 20% when you refer Hodlnaut to your friends. So, makukuha nyo din yung nyo dyan, yung referral link niyo. And then, pwede nyo silang, pwede nyo i-post sa Facebook mo. Baka, di ba? May friend ka na interested pagdating sa ganyan. Kita ka din, di ba? Ayan, affiliate summary. Makikita mo dyan yung numbers mo, yung active referrals mo. Then, total commissions earned in US dollar. Okay? So Android app Android app will be launched soon. Etong November daw ang sabi. Ilo-launch na nila yung Android app nila. So abangan niyo 'yun. Kasi hopefully maglabas din sila para sa iOS kasi napakarami din nating mga users ng iOS na mga nasa crypto or mga Bitcoin or anything like that. Pati yung mga games, NFT games. Marami tayong mga kaibigan na nandyan. So, tingnan natin yung niya din. Ayan, BTC, DAI, Ethereum, USDC, USDT, and WBTC. So, kung ako ang sasali, ako yung magsasign up dito, Ethereum and USDT ang madalas na ginagamit ko. So, yun yung mga coin na pwede kong ilagay dito and then, diba, yung interest rate. Subukan ko din nga to para masilip natin kung paano ang gimmick and kung totoo nga ba ang balita. Ayan. Okay. So, yung sinasabi ko sa inyo guys kanina na yung pag nag-refer kayo ng friend ninyo and yung friend ninyo will make a deposit of $1,000 US, may bonus kayo na $20. May bonus din si friend ninyo na $20. Okay? So, win-win ang ninyo, ang gimmick ninyo, 'di ba? Ito, makita niyo dito. So, and 10% commission and give free 20% 10% commission pala sa inyo. And then free $20 when you refer Hodlnaut to your friends. So your friend will also receive a $20 sign-up bonus after making a deposit equivalent to $1,000 in a single transaction on any supported assets within 1 week. Bonus payouts are paid in the same asset deposited. So, kunyari USDT yung asset na nilagay niya doon ng $1,000, yung makukuha mo is USDT din. So, Bitcoin, the Bitcoin worth yung makukuha mo doon. Okay? So, they may make a test deposit of any amount. The deposit equivalent of $1,000 or more must be completed within 1 week of the first test deposits. So, ang mangyayari, kahit na cumulative yung deposits niya, basta for as long as for the first week nung from the very first time na sign up siya, yung deposits niya will be a total of $1,000, ang equivalent nung token na ipapasok niya. Okay? So, check them out then, guys. Okay, so this is the team then for Hodlnaut, guys. They are headed by Jun Tao Zhu, co-founder and CEO, and si Simon Lee, and co-founder and CEO as well. Yung LinkedIn nila are connected dyan. May hyperlink yan, so you can check them out for your further research. Then sa engineering, and si Alexander Chen, Henry He, Kenneth Tan, and Hang Chen Xiong. Yan yung ano niya. Ito din, Eileen Chua, Isabella Tan, Cherry Sui. Tapos ito sa Risk, Alden Lim, Gregory Adam Liza Growth, and dami nila guys. So pwede nyong i-check yung website nila para i-double check yung personalities behind the Hodlnaut website. Okay? So I mean, instead na nag-hold lang kayo sa wallet ninyo nung mga cryptocurrencies ninyo, you might want to go ahead and check them out. Baka sakaling, 'di ba? Instead na nag-hodl kayo doon, ilagay niyo dito, kumikita ng interest. And then pag kailangan na ninyo, you can pull it out anytime din naman daw, sabi niya. So walang lockups and all, which is very good, 'di ba? At least hindi kayong trap na kailangan 6 months mong iiwanan dyan bago mo makuha yung interest and all. Okay? So, yun lang muna kay Hodlnaut. If you have any questions, guys, you can put it in the comment section below. We can reach out to them para malaman natin yung answer kung ano man yung magiging question ninyo in terms of, yun nga, interest, other tokens that they are planning to add or something like that. Okay? So, that's it for me. I'm out. Peace!